Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into a product that has gained popularity for its quality and sustainability, the Tork Multifold hand towels. If you're searching for the best folded paper towels on the market, you might just find your answer here. The Tork Multifold hand towels come in a bulk package of 16 packs, each containing 250 sheets, making a total of 4,000 sheets. These towels are made from 100% recycled fibers, aligning with environmentally conscious choices that many of us are making today. The dimensions of each towel, when folded, are 3.2 inches by 9.1 inches, and when unfolded, they measure 9.5 inches by 9.1 inches. This size makes them convenient for various dispensing options, including touch-free dispensers, which can significantly reduce germ spread in shared spaces. One of the standout features of these towels is their absorbency. They are designed to be highly absorbent while minimizing waste. This means you won't have to use multiple towels for simple tasks, making them not only efficient but also economical. Additionally, they're compatible with H2 dispensers, enhancing their usability in both commercial and residential settings. The fact that they are EPA compliant further solidifies their reputation as a sustainable option. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Many users appreciate how easy it is to dispense these towels. The multifold design ensures that you can grab one towel at a time without the frustration of tearing or pulling multiple sheets. This single dispensing feature is especially beneficial in public restrooms or busy kitchens where hygiene is a top priority. Additionally, users often highlight the durability of these towels. They hold up well even when wet, making them reliable for drying hands efficiently. Their one-ply construction, while lightweight, does not compromise on quality or performance, making them a great choice for various environments, from restaurants to offices and beyond. When it comes to value, the Tork Multifold hand towels are competitively priced. At around $36 for 4,000 sheets, they offer a cost-effective solution for bulk buyers. This is especially appealing for businesses looking to maintain quality without breaking the bank. The bulk packaging ensures that you'll have enough supply to last for a while, reducing the need for frequent reordering. In conclusion, the Tork Multifold hand towels stand out as one of the best folded paper towels available today. Their blend of sustainability, absorbency, and user-friendly design makes them a reliable choice for both personal and professional use. Whether you're a business owner or just looking to upgrade your home supplies, these towels provide excellent value without compromising on quality. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product reviews. We'll see you next time.